Hey guys, it's Roy here from RWGO12 on EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video on the brand new Poetic Guardian for the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'm going to tell you guys, I am super excited for this video. Poetic did something I have not seen before, and I am actually super excited about. Poetic always releases the Guardian. It's a great case, and it's one of the more protective cases for most devices. One thing that they did different this time, though, was they gave you two different pieces to put the phone in. So the case is made up of two different layers. You have this piece here, which is a softer TPU piece with a hard plastic back, and then they have a front piece. This front piece's job is to go in here and then to hold the device in. A lot of times you'll see where they come with either an empty piece or a screen protector. Now both of these happen to have this plastic here wrapped around them to keep them nice and clean. But what I like is that Poetic gave me the choice. A lot of these cases, they come with that built-in screen protector, and I don't like them. I don't think they work very well, and I'm not a huge fan of them. A lot of times what I'll do is I just push them out, and I use my own screen protector when I use these types of cases. Because I prefer it without the screen protector, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the one without. So here, to put the case on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the phone. We're going to put it in like this. Once you put it on, you want to make sure that you've got this ready to go. Now there is a plastic piece here on the outside. Just double check the inside. A lot of times they do ship with them on the inside as well. This time it did not, but you peel that plastic piece off. You're going to take that, flip it over, and you're going to put it down in. Push it in around all the corners. And then presto, you're good to go. So the first thing you'll notice here is that the case is a little bit bulkier than some other cases. That is by design. This case is designed to be giving your case or your phone the absolute best protection possible. I super like the look of that clear back there, and it's not as much of a fingerprint magnet as most of these cases are. It is a harder plastic, so it's not going to be absorbing as much of the oils and grease from your skin, so there's not going to be as much yellowing as you do see with most clear cases. Also here on the back, we do have this cutout for the flash, the camera, and the other sensors. It's nice and deep, and it leaves this side right here exposed so that the sensors aren't covered, but it provides just enough protection where your camera is not going to be getting damaged if you set the case down. If you look here on the back, you'll also see that the piece here, the plastic piece, is slightly recessed. That makes it so that this piece will not be getting scratched if you set it down as well. Here on the corners, you will see that there are these extra thick bumpers. Those do go from the back and all the way around the front. Those provide a lot of impact protection there, and not only do they provide impact protection, there's a little air pocket on the inside of those that helps absorb that impact and spread it out just a little bit further. Now because of those bumpers, you will see that they are a little bit thicker here across the top and the bottom of the case. That does make it so you can set it face down, you can slide it around, and you don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched up. Here on this side, we do have the power button. There's no issues using that. And then here in this recess, you have the slider. Now as you can see here, there is plenty of room there. There's no issues using it. Here on the other side, we do have your buttons for your volume up and your volume down. There's no problems using either of those. And then here up top, we have a cutout for your noise canceling mic. And then on the bottom, we have a cutout for your regular mic as well as for your speaker. And then right here we have this little piece that you can pop out in order to be able to use your USB-C charger. It does provide you with some additional water as well as dust protection, so you're not going to be getting anything in there. And the nice thing is you're not going to be taking that out very often because this case does support warp wireless charging. So the case does come in a wide variety of colors, and it goes for between $17 and $19 on Amazon. And we'll have links in the video description down below where you can order it for yourself. As I said earlier, I super like this case. It's always been one of my favorites. I like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I like the protection that it offers. And more importantly, I like that with this case, they finally given me the option to be able to use it with the screen protector or without the screen protector. I super like that I have that choice, and that if I do change my mind later on, I can go ahead and I can put this one on. So if you guys have any questions about the Poetic Guardian, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.